If your iPhone keeps downloading thousands of photos from iCloud and filling up your storage, here's how to stop it. Welcome back to Quick Assist. If this video helps, please consider liking or subscribing. Okay guys, in case you got that phone and then you reset it, you don't want iCloud to just flood your phone with like whatever the amount of thousands, like I have like 20,000 photos and videos. Then this is what you have to do. First, go to settings right here. Then we're going to want to go to our account on top. Go ahead and click that. I'm covering up the email right here. And then so we're going to scroll down. Then we're going to want to go to iCloud right there. Okay, from iCloud, we're going to go ahead and click on Photos. Okay, so on Photos, you're going to want to make sure that this is off, this toggle, sync to the phone, or sync this iPhone. And if I turn it back on, it's going to make the phone slow, so then that's why I kept it off. Basically, once you turn this off, then it will stop sending all those photos. And this only stops the syncing on this iPhone. Your photos will remain safely stored in iCloud and on your other synced Apple devices. Some cases like your second or third phone. And that's how to stop the iCloud photos from downloading to your phone. So if this video helped, please like or subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.